Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com. So one of the problem a lot of people do encounter with keyword everywhere is keywords everywhere not showing volume, okay, not showing data. So if you've encountered a problem of keyword everywhere not showing search volume for you, then there are a couple of problems, there are a couple of things that might be going on. So one of them could be that your keyword everywhere credit has expired. Then for people that were using the formal free one and maybe you feel it's still free and it's not showing credit or search volume or statistics or data anymore for you, you have to know that it's now a paid tool and you have to pay for it for you to start seeing volume. But if that's not the case and your keyword everywhere is properly configured and you have a paid plan and you're not seeing it, the next thing you want to do is to try to reset your keyword everywhere API. Okay. Then sometimes the problem could come from your browser. Okay. You try to uninstall the browser and install a new one, or try it from another browser, another Chrome browser, install and set up and see with the same API if that works. Okay. Then you can also go to the settings if you're encountering this issue and check if your API key is still there. If it's not there, you add it. Okay. So these are a few things that could make your keyword everywhere extension not to show search volume. Okay. So if keywords everywhere is not showing search volume for you, try these few things I just talked about and that could fix it. So that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.